Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by merging prerequisites with first actions. Check the syllabus and the lab list so you know required outcomes and marks. Create a dedicated folder named Role No Name and place starter code and datasets there, because consistency saves time. Once done, open the IDE and initialize a project template. This avoids setup errors later. Make sure to document version numbers and compiler flags in a README so you can reproduce results quickly. You now write and execute the core code. Break the problem into functions and implement incrementally, explaining why each module exists. Run unit tests with sample inputs and edge cases because failing early is cheaper than debugging later. Once tests pass, profile or measure complexity, and annotate time-space trade-offs directly in comments. Make sure to commit meaningful snapshots so you can revert if a new change breaks working behavior. You finish by packaging deliverables. Zip the Role No Name folder, include a README with compilation steps and sample outputs, and take screenshots of successful runs. This demonstrates correctness. Once done, run the full test suite and compare outputs versus expected answers to ensure accuracy. If something fails, first isolate the failing module, add targeted console logs, and rerun only that test. This focused approach finds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.